Students, here are some different families we will learn about. बहुत सारे अलग अलग तरह की फैमिलीज के बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे और इन एग्जाम्पल से समझेंगे कि किस तरह की फैमिलीज होती हैं. देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फैमिलीज लाइक जॉइंट फैमिली, सिंगल पेरेंट फैमिली एंड न्यूक्लियर फैमिली. जॉइंट फैमिली बिग होती है, न्यूक्लियर फैमिली स्मॉल होती है और सिंगल पेरेंट फैमिली में ओनली सिंगल पेरेंट होते हैं, इधर mother or father. Student, in this chapter our family we will learn about many different families. बहुत सारी अलग अलग families के बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे. Here are many different types of families we learn about. हम different families के बारे में पढ़ेंगे और उसी से समझेंगे कि किस तरह से joint family होती है, किस तरह nuclear family होती है और किस तरह single parent family होती है. Now we will start. Meghna lives with her parents. Her father is a doctor and her mother teaches in a school. They have a pet dog named Tommy. Theirs is a nuclear family. They live in the city and they visit their relatives in the village during holidays. मेघना अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ रहती है, तो जो फैमिली पेरेंट्स एंड चिल्ड्रन, ओनली पेरेंट्स एंड चिल्ड्रन होते हैं, वो न्यूक्लियर फैमिली कहलाती है. और जब ओकेशंस होते हैं, हॉलीडे होते हैं, तभी वे रिलेटिव से मिलने जाते हैं. तो सबसे पहले हमने पढ़ी मेघना की फैमिली, ये न्यूक्लियर फैमिली है. नाउ नेक्स्ट ताशी, दिस इज मेघना's फैमिली, दिस इज न्यूक्लियर फैमिली. Parent and their children live together is called nuclear family. Now here Tashi lives with his father, uncle and his two older cousin. ताशी अपने फादर, अंकल और दो कजन्स के साथ रहती है. दे हैव मूव टू द सिटी फॉर वर्क एंड बेटर एजुकेशन. मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल मूव टू द सिटी बिकॉज ऑफ वर्क एंड बेटर एजुकेशन. काम और एजुकेशन, कुछ अच्छा ऑक्यूपेशन लेना है और बेटर एजुकेशन लेनी है, तो उनके नेटिव प्लेस पर नहीं पॉसिबल होता है, इसलिए वो अदर सिटी में जाते हैं. He misses his mother, aunt and grandparents who live in the village and the home cooked food. वे अपने मदर, आंट और ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को मिस करते हैं जो कि विलेज में रहते हैं, और घर का बना हुआ खाने को भी वे मिस करते हैं क्योंकि वे अदर सिटी में रहते हैं फॉर वर्क एंड बेटर एजुकेशन. Now here is हरप्रीत's फैमिली. हरप्रीत इज जॉइंट फैमिली. हरप्रीत की जो फैमिली है वो जॉइंट फैमिली है. दिस इज हरप्रीत's फैमिली. We can understand by this picture. This is joint family. In the joint family, grandparents, parents, cousin, uncle, aunt lives together. Harpreet is a joint family with 4 generations living in the same house. 4 generations are living in the same house. Though her great grandmother is more than 90 years old, she is still active and entertains the children in the family with the childhood stories. हरप्रीत की जो ग्रैंडमदर हैं वो उन्हें कहानियां सुनाती हैं और वे 90 years old हैं. हरप्रीत's grandfather, father and 2 uncle all work on the farm. हरप्रीत के ग्रैंडफादर, फादर एंड जो अंकल हैं वे फार्म में काम करते हैं. एवरी डे द फैमिली मेंबर्स हैव डिनर टुगेदर. वे डिनर साथ में करते हैं. एंड दे ऑल्सो सेलिब्रेट ऑल फेस्टिवल्स टुगेदर. दे सेलिब्रेट ऑल द फेस्टिवल्स टुगेदर. दिस इज जॉइंट फैमिली. We can understand by this picture also. Now here the next family, Zara. This is the girl Zara. Zara lives with her mother and grandmother. Zara अपने मदर और ग्रैंडमदर के साथ रहती है. Zara lives with her mother and grandmother. Zara was adopted by her mother. Zara adopted child है. Her mother works in an office. Her mother is always on work. Zara's grandmother takes care of her. Zara is an adopted child. Here's the Zara's family. Now next family, Karan and Kirti. This is the picture of Karan and Kirti's family. Karan and Kirti live with their father. Karan and Kirti अपने फादर के साथ रहते हैं. He works from home most of the time. उनके फादर वर्क फ्रॉम होम करते हैं. He also takes care of the house and helps the children with their homework. During vacation, Karan and Kirti visit their mother who lives in another city. Her mother lives in another city for job. Karan and Kirti live with their father. This is the picture of Karan Kirti family. Now the next, family members and family tree. What is family tree? We will learn about this. Just as a tree has one stem and many branches growing out in different directions, a family is too like a tree. Family भी एक तरह का tree होता है. Students, this is called family tree. In this family tree, there are many generations. You can see very well the generations, grandparents, then parents, and then children. Growing with time, with siblings and their family branching out. इस तरह से family branching out हम दिखा सकते हैं. ये है family tree. तो क्या होता है family tree? What is family tree? A family tree is a chart or diagram showing the members of a family from different generation and their relationship with each other. It helps us to learn about our family members and how we are related to them. We have relatives from both our father and mother's family. फादर और मदर्स की जो फैमिली होती है, दोनों तरफ से कुछ रिलेटिव्स होते हैं जिन्हें कुछ वर्ड से डिनोट किया जाता है. Our mother's relative are our maternal relatives. Our father's relative are our paternal relatives. You can also draw your family tree like this and also paste the pictures of your family members. Now here are some questions. Fill in the blanks. Meghna's family lives in the city. Their relatives live in the village. Tashi's father, uncle and cousins moved to the city for work and better education. In Harpreet's joint family, 4 generations live in the same house. Zara is an adopted child who lives with her mother and grandmother. Our mother's relatives are our maternal relatives and our father's relatives are our paternal relatives. Now the next point of this topic, our families and us. We have learned about different kinds of families and different relatives. अभी इस वीडियो में हमने अलग अलग तरह की फैमिलीज और रिलेटिव्स के बारे में समझा. These relatives may or may not live with us. कुछ रिलेटिव हमारे साथ रहते हैं और कुछ हमारे साथ नहीं रहते हैं. We call them by various names. उन्हें हम अलग अलग नाम से बुलाते हैं. Like maternal relatives, paternal relatives, uncle, aunt, cousin, grandfather, grandmother, like this. Members of a family have similar physical appearance. जो family members होते हैं उनके physical appearance होते हैं. Some of us look exactly like one of our parents. Sometimes we may resemble one of our grandparents or uncle or aunt. कभी किसी का फेस ग्रैंडपेरेंट्स से मिलता है या फिर कोई अंकल से, आंट से या मदर से, फादर से. इस तरह से सिमिलैरिटीज होती हैं फिजिकल अपीयरेंस में. We may have similarities in different ways. Here are some examples with the previous families. Tashi has curly hair like his uncle. Meghna smiles just like her mother, while Karan is a good footballer like his father. These are some similarities. Now here is the fact file. Human twins are siblings who were born during the same pregnancy. They may be fraternal twins who do not look like each other. They can also be identical twins who look like each other. Twins are of two types, fraternal twins and identical twins. How our family members influence us? Our family members also influence us in many ways. We may share interest in same kind of hobbies, books, movies और even sports. हमारे फैमिली मेंबर्स से हम काफ़ी प्रभावित होते हैं और उन्हीं की जो हॉबीज़ होती हैं और वे जो बुक्स रीड करते हैं, मूवीज़ देखते हैं, उसी के अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग फॉलो करते हैं। इसलिए जो भी फैमिली मेंबर्स होते हैं उनकी हॉबीज़ और उनके जो टेस्ट हैं लगभग सेम होते हैं। Our family members also influence us in many ways. We may share interest in same kind of hobbies, books, movies or even sports. There are many skills that we also learn from our family members. बहुत सारे skills हम अपने family members से सीखते हैं. That we also learn from our family members. For example, Meghna learns to sing from her mother. Tashi has learned how to make perfectly round and soft rotis from his uncle, and Harpreet's grandmother teaches her to embroider beautiful design on her dresses. So we learn many things from our family members. We can understand by these examples. Our family members also teaches us good behavior and how to conduct ourselves. For example, Zara has learned the value of punctuality from her mother, and Karan and Kirti have learned to be kind and respectful to all living beings from their father. Some families also practice the same occupation for generations. For example, Harpreet's family has been engaged in farming since many generations. The family elders have started passing on knowledge about farming to the younger generations. During holidays, Harpreet, her brother and cousin visit their farm. Thus, we see that our families are very important for us. Members of a family love and take care of each other and learn many things from each other. Here are some points we should know about. The number 1 point, types of families: nuclear, joint and single parent family. Many families move to different cities for work and better education. Some families have adopted children. A family tree is a chart or diagram showing the members of family from different generations and their relationship with each other. Family and family members influence us in many ways. Now we will come to exercise. Here is back exercise and other questions. We will solve the questions. Here the back exercise question. Choose the correct option. Meghna lives in a dash family. Meghna lives in a nuclear family. Among the following is an adopted child. Here the answer is Zara. Zara is adopted child. Next question. We resemble our dash. We resemble our family members. Our mother's relatives are our maternal relatives. Harpreet's father, uncle and grandfather work at the dash. Harpreet's father, uncle and grandfather work at the farm. Here is next question. True, false. Write whether the following are true or false. Harpreet belongs to a family of doctors. From this chapter, this answer is false. A family tree is a tree that members of family plant together. The sentence is false. Some families have the same occupation for generations. True. We may resemble some of our relatives. True. All relatives live in a house together. False. Now is the next question. Decode. Look at the picture and answer the questions. Here is a family tree. What is shown in the picture? The answer is family tree. How many generations of a family are shown in this diagram? Answer is 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The answer is 4 generations. How many members are there in this family? The total members are 14. The answer is 14. Now students, we will solve these question answers. Now take out your notebook and write down all the question and answers. We will solve this in the next video.